cricket with a cow. So which temple are we going to first?
Nar Singh temple.
Nar Singh, that's the Vishnu temple,
Yes.
the main one. And then there's the second temple that we'll see later also. No, I think I found it. Over there? Nar Singh Mandir.
క్లియర్ చేస్తారు
So I'm not sure I'll be able to film inside. Usually Hindu temples, they don't usually let you take pictures or video.
अरे यार वो पहना यार
हाँ मैं फोन करती हूँ।
Lord Vishnu. So correction, this is a reincarnation of Lord Vishnu. Nar Singh, half man, half lion. Which is why we have these lion symbols everywhere. I can already see from here, no photos or video. Do not take photographs inside. So I'm not going to show you the inside. Usually it's just a simple altar with a statue. So it'll probably have a statue of Lord Vishnu and maybe a couple other statues of people that are associated with him, his wife or something. Interesting. Little prayer ribbons on the prayer ribbon tree. I think I could get a good picture of something like this. Let's try. Got a bunch of carvings along the wall. We got Om carved up here, a swastika up here, which is a common symbol in Hinduism. Some lions, lotus flower, a pot with a flower coming out of it. I'm not sure what all these symbols mean, but all right, I'm going in. I'm not going to film it, but I'll tell you how it goes. I just got out and oh, there's a nice carving of Ganesh on this door. So I just got out of the temple and basically it's just a raised platform with an altar inside of a caged area with some statues, donation box, places to leave offerings. So here's Nar Singh doing his thing. I wasn't sure what this was at first, but apparently this was a demon, an evil guy that was going to kill a kid or a child or something, so he saved them.
दो चाय
दो चाय
और वो ब्रेड बन जाएगा बस बन उसका कितने का
50
ठीक है
These mountain towns definitely have a lot of stairs. And they get you in shape pretty quick. Interesting. It's like the secret stair into Joshimath. So for the video, here's our hotel. Brat guest house, 1,000 rupees a night. It's a
No.
bargain.
After
got-
bargaining.
After
and
bargaining.
I did the bargain.
Yes, it was 1,200 and we got for 1,000.
So these are the 4 pitas. Like in north, we have this pita.
I've heard of the 4, yeah.
Huh.
Mm-hmm.
South we have Sringeri, that is the south in Karnataka. East we have in what is that? Bhubaneswar. We have one more
Puri.
mutt over there, Puri Jagannath,
Okay.
and one more is in west, Gujarat,
Dwarka.
Dwarka.
Okay. And
So
they're all
there
Shiva
are 4
temples?
Huh, they
Okay.
are all equals to him. And
Okay.
he only constructed all the places.
You're removing socks also?
No. My feet are cold. Beautiful views. A shrine inside the cave. I don't see any no photography signs. Kind of cool cave built right underneath this rock. These are cool. Solar hot water heaters. Fills it up with water. Sun heats it all day. Stays hot overnight. He told me about the Shivaling house. 2 feet and then 2 feet invisible and then very heavy. 500 kg weight.
वेट तो आप नहीं नाप पाएंगे इसको ज़्यादा ही होगा
And then this is the biggest.
यस
Biggest. Shivaling.
हाँ यही सब
He is the first person who built all these temples where we went
And out of the 4 sacred temples, this is the
Yes.
first one. Okay.
Yeah.
And then,
throughout India.
yep.
This is the first and the oldest one.
And then after this one, there's Gujarat and
Dwarka, Odisha, Jagannath.
a story. Oh, okay. Thank you. The name Kalpavriksha.
अमर कल्पवृक्ष
Okay. Okay.
अमर कल्पवृक्ष
Mal
मालबरी
Kalpavriksha.
ट्री मालबरी ट्री
Mulberry tree. Okay. Berry tree. I see. Dhanyavad. Namdi.
Nandi.
Nandi, not Nandi.
And this is the temple, this is the tree
Mm-hmm.
under which Adi Shankaracharya did meditation and
For 5 years
for,
and obtained enlightenment.
yes,
2,500 years ago.
2500 years.
And it's a mulberry tree, according to this gentleman over here.
What tree?
In English, it's mulberry. Is this our guy?
This is Bhishma Padama from Mahabharat.
Oh, okay. The old guy from Mahabharat.
Yes.
And he's getting acupuncture?
No.
Is this how he died?
Yes.
On a bunch of spikes?
Yes. Bunch of arrows.
Oh, arrows. Okay. Poor guy.